In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add conditional formatting in Google Sheets. If you've ever wanted to visually organize your data to make important information stand out, conditional formatting is your best friend. In our example today, we're focusing on how to turn the background of a row green if someone is marked as present. This can be especially useful for tasks like tracking attendance or highlighting specific data points. Let's dive in. To start, we'll need to select all the rows and columns that are involved in our formatting task. This ensures the entire range of data you're interested in is prepared for conditional formatting. Once you've made your selection, navigate to the top of your Google Sheets interface and click on the Format tab. In the drop-down menu that appears, select Conditional Formatting. This will open the Conditional Formatting pane on the right side of the screen where you can apply and customize rules according to your needs. At this point, your range is already selected, which makes setting up the rules a bit more straightforward. Look for the section labeled Format Rules. From the drop-down menu under this section, you're going to choose the option Custom Formula Is. This is where the magic happens, as Google Sheets allows you to input a formula that will determine when your formatting will apply. Now let's talk about the formula you'll use. This formula will vary based on the specifics of your situation. But in our case, it's designed to check whether the text in the cell designated for attendance, let's say column E, which houses the words present or absent, matches the value present. To set this up, you'll need to use a simple formula. First, make sure that column E is locked, so the formula checks only that column for our designated text. You can lock the column by using the $ symbol. The formula might look something like this: iski E1 present D. What this does is tell Google Sheets to look at column E, and if the word present appears, the conditional formatting rule will trigger. Once you've written your formula, go ahead and set the formatting style. In our example, since we want the entire row to light up when someone is marked present, we'll choose a background fill color of green. Click Done, and the setup is complete. Finally, when you test it out by marking an individual as present, you'll see the entire row illuminate in the chosen green background color. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful way to enhance your data visualization with conditional formatting in Google Sheets. Doing this can make your life easier when managing large data sets, ensuring you can quickly identify the most critical information at a glance.